Alright guys, still by Big Time for Double Start. So this tutorial I want to talk about the continue statement. So this continue statement now, so it will help us break out from the current iteration of our loop. Now, I never used our iteration before. When I mean iteration now, so every time I say the loop they run and iterations now be that. They get every time the loop they run, now iterations be that. So if you go run for like 7 times that, and 7 iterations. You get so imagine now, say maybe you get this particular exercise, let's make it do for like 7 days. Let's make it do for like 7 days. So imagine write like for loop now. This simulates the 7 days where like I could take do the exercise. So I could say for var count, create variable count now, set them to 1. Then y count, they lesser than or equals to this, would they increment the count. You see how? So what did happen here? We declare this count variable now, set them to 1. Then we say, okay, why this count now? Why are they lesser than this 7? We want run this code now for this for loop. So they run the code 7 times. So that means we want to do the exercise now for 7 days. So just now, just come in and just say console.log. Then type now. Then do exercise. The same. Might just concatenate here. Count. Then this one empty, just to break that thing come down. So if I refresh now, see what they happen. They show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they do the exercise now 7 times. So what if maybe we don't do and reach, we don't do the first one, the second one, the third one, then we must do and reach the 7 no. But when the 4th day reach now, we look and say, I beg we don't tire. More rest for this 4th day. But we'll continue this 5, 6 to reach the 7. So if we use the continue statement now, so I say break this particular number 4 come out. So if we break them, then after this one break come out now, it will come back now, continue from where it stops on 5, 6, and 7. So the one what we'll do, I'll just come here, I will use if statement. I can say if this count now, if it equals to 4, if it equals to 4, 1 log this thing, I will say console.log. Then I put something like, I'll just say rest for today. Rest for today. So I'll refresh now. See how? So after number 3 now, it show rest for today, but see the show for Abby. So what I'll do, after here, I'll come down and say continue. You see how? Continue. So if I refresh now, see what happen. See how? It do the first one, it do the second one, it do the third one. Then when it reach 4 now, it does say, okay, you know the first do more rest for today. So it not do the number 4. It can come back again now, it does jump on this ones now, it goes to number 5, 6, and 7 like that. So that might be the continue to do. So the continue now, the help us now to the jump out from that particular iteration of the loop. Then it will continue with the other ones. So if we say maybe why the count is equals to 4, or use the or now, or why the count now they equals to maybe 7. You see how? So one rest for like the 4th and the 7th day. So if you refresh now, see how? It's only 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. So that's the way the continue statement will work, not pass like that. So anyhow, I will go end this video and I will see use this continue for future videos now. We'll see for a very, very interesting example of his or real life applications. So anyhow, I shall see you a little bit from Double Start now Big Tank. I need to be like the video, subscribe, and I could see you now for the next video. Thank you.